Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve and today I'm going to review a fan. This is by Flywoo. It's a product. It's a fan. I'm serious. It is a fan. And I don't know how the English translation works, but on the side here they wrote RC Violence Fan. That makes no sense to me or any other human on the planet, except for maybe if this was translated back into Mandarin or Chinese, it would make sense. But on the front, it's got a much better name. It's called the Quick Cool VTX Portable Fan. Now, why does this product exist? Well, it exists for a very good reason, and I, Captain Drone, Steve, am going to use this all the time because I need something like this. I'll tell you why. So if you're in the FPV drone hobby, you will know that when you set up an FPV drone in beta flight, you have to plug it in, maybe plug in a battery, and the entire VTX, the video transmission system, gets hot. Sometimes even the flight controller gets hot, and what happens when you're in beta flight is the whole thing shuts down because it overheats. So you've got to cool these if you don't already have a fan cooling them, or do it really fast. So that is the reason for the existence of this fan. And this fan's pretty cool. Let me show it to you. You're going to laugh, but what Flywoo basically did is they took one of the motors on here and, well, the ESC and everything, and they put it into this product. I'm serious. I got pieces falling out everywhere here. So let me just get everything out of this and show you the fan really quick. This is the fan unit. I've done a quick demo on it, so watch this video, then come back to me. Here we have the box the Quick Cool VTX fan arrives in. Inside the box you'll find the instructions, support card, and stickers. The 3.5-inch fan blade is attached to a brushless motor, and that brushless motor is at 2450 kV. The front consists of an LCD screen and potentiometer dial. On the bottom of the unit there's an XT60 plug input. On the back of the unit there are two Velcro straps. Any battery you have that's a 2S all the way up to a 6S will power the fan. Once you add power, the fan comes to life. You will have to hit the unlock button to get it to function. Turning the dial increases the speed of the fan. Here I have the fan turned up to 11%. Let's see how fast it is blowing. We can see that it's around 19 kilometers per hour. Next, I'll crank the fan up to 50%, which is a lot of wind, and we'll see what the top speed is. And we achieve 38 to 39 kilometers per hour. And finally, I'll crank it to 100% and we'll check what the top speed is. So I've got it set to show the maximum speed achieved, which was 52.9 kilometers per hour. So as you can tell from this demo, this fan produces an awful lot of wind, more than you would expect. So you saw in that demo, I strapped a 4-cell battery to it, and let me do it again and power it on and just show you how loud it is. So 4-cell battery strapped, and watch this. It's gonna sound just like an FPV drone when I plug it in. You see what I mean? It's basically the ESC and the motor off the actual drone. That beeping means that I have the dial too high, so I just got to turn it down, unplug it, back in, and there we go, no sound. So basically if you have the throttle on full and you plug in the battery, it could be a little bit dangerous, so it warns you with those beeps. You just have to turn the dial down, unplug it, plug it back in. There is a locking system, as I showed in the video, this little button on the side. You can also lock the throttle. So watch this, if I turn it on slow, and I want to keep it at that speed, you just hit the lock so that if I'm handling it, moving it around, it doesn't change speed. So that's what the lock shows right there. I'm at 4% according to this. I want to show you how powerful this thing is. You probably, get it away from the mic, you probably didn't realize it in the video, but this is crazy powerful. Like when you put it on full, it literally pushes your arm back. So in the summertime, this is going to keep me cool at the field for sure. Down here, I'll have a little FPV drone. I'll power this on just slowly. We'll see if we can move it. And it's gone. Okay, so that was kind of cheating because there are no guts in this drone. It's empty. Let me put one that's got a camera and everything else. So this one has a bit of weight to it, but it should still be able to push it. I don't think I got past 25% there. So let's try it one more time. It's gone. And this is how loud it gets when you go full. It's so loud. So you want to use this out in the field, and when you're using it indoors to just cool your VTX when you're doing your setups and Betaflight configurator, you'd only turn it to about, maybe 5%. That's 5% right now. The only thing that's missing on this that I wish Flywoo would have talked to me before they invented this product is that if you put a drone here and you want to cool the VTX, well, It's held in place because my battery is so heavy at the bottom, it holds it. But I wish they had a little stand that popped out here and you could just angle it like this. That would have been really decent. But anyways, they don't have that. I think it's a cool product. Some of you out there watching this probably think this is the goofiest thing ever made, and you're probably just laughing at the video. But I think it's pretty cool because it has a purpose and a use for me. So I'm going to put the links below where you can find it. I believe it's like $40 or $49 on the Flywoo website. Go and check it out. Maybe order this cool drone, the Firefly 20, which I have a review coming out in the near future. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in a future video with many more cool product reviews. Until then, I say bye.